Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to print from an iPhone 2024. So all you have to just go to the file location first, or the files option, and then you'll find here many files. All you have to choose the file you want to print, like this one, and then you can see this icon which is bottom left corner. I repeat, bottom left corner, this share icon. Click on this share icon and you have to click on, just scroll down a bit and you'll find here print option, this one. Click on print. Now make sure that your printer and the iPhone is connected with the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, after that you have to click on this printer option. Then it is looking for printer, it will look for printer. Then you have to just click on print option, which is grayed out right now, but if you find the printer, then it will print automatically. I repeat, it is top right corner, print option, top right corner. You have to click on the print option after selecting the printer, then it will print automatically. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.